Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be unboxing the Mixcder Model E9. These are active noise canceling wireless headphones. They actually sent me this for free in exchange for a video review, so just full disclosure on that. But we're going to be unboxing these and I'll check them out and give my thoughts in the later parts of the video. So let's just get started. I already opened up the plastic a little bit, so this would be kind of easy to take off. Alright, so there we go. Here's the packaging. You can see the kind of shiny engraving here of what the headphones looks like. And on the back, just some information in different languages. On the side, some features of the headset, the active noise canceling, of course, the fact that it's wireless. And it also comes with a carrying case too, it looks like. So let's open this thing up here. Alright. So here is the carrying case, nothing else in there. This is kind of a fabric type material. It's pretty common for carrying cases, I think. So if you've had other headphones like this, I'm sure they're similar, but you've got have a ribbon here to hang this on, and you can open up with the zipper. And let's see the headphones. All right, so here we go. You can see they kind of fold like this. In here we have, let's actually open this up real quick and see what all's inside. So we got the user manual, of course, very common. Looks like some stickers here, something like that. Or no, this is just I guess some more information, a QR code maybe on their Facebook, and this is for their website. Thank you for your purchase. Nice little thing to include there. So inside the bag, there's this, first this adapter here. I think this is for like airplanes or something, but I've never actually seen one of these be used. So if you know what this is, if you need one of these, I'm sure you already know what this is. Maybe I'll do some research and put like some text on the video describing what the actual feature of this is, but I don't think I will personally have a use for it. And then the rest of the wires it comes with are this USB cable, which is for charging, I assume, and then an aux cord in case you do want to use it as a wired headset. I believe that's what this is for. And let's take out the actual headphones themselves. They're kind of behind this elastic band here. So let's make sure these come out safely here. Oops. Okay. So here are the actual headphones themselves. It's kind of a leather material here on the outside, very squishy foam, and of course these can rotate, so if you're wearing them on your neck or something and you want to rest them on your chest, that's very convenient. I'm not sure if there's actually a way to lock them in place, but I don't think that's actually too much of a problem during normal use. On the side here we have some volume buttons. You got plus, minus, a place for the USB, of course, and a power button. And then over here is the aux port and ANC. I honestly don't know what this means. It probably has something to do with this little mystery component here, but of course I'll put some text on the screen maybe to explain that more. But yeah, that was the basic unboxing, and now I'm going to test these out and let you guys know my thoughts.
So I've had a few weeks now to check out the headphones, and now I'm just going to get into the review. So spec-wise, obviously it supports wireless Bluetooth as well as an auxiliary input if you'd rather have it as a wired headset. There's about 30 hours of battery life, and that'll be a few less hours if you have the active noise canceling on at all times. And of course it also comes with the carrying case, and in terms of the headphones themselves, they feature dual 40mm drivers. In terms of the sound quality, overall it's pretty decent. I wouldn't say that it's bad, and you certainly get more bass than you would with some in-ear headphones, but at the same time, I definitely prefer the sound quality of my Bose SoundSport in-ears and my Sennheiser HD58X Jubilees, which are over-the-ear headphones that I usually use on my PC. If you're used to headphones at this price or lower, you'll probably find the quality to be perfectly fine, but I think audiophiles could definitely critique certain aspects of it. The product description says the sound reaches up to 95 decibels, and I've found even the max volume to be a little bit low. You can definitely get much louder audio levels even with just some generic Apple earbuds, so it's definitely a bit disappointing, especially for headphones this beefy. But overall, for the price point, I don't think that the sound quality is bad. I think it's pretty decent, and I think a lot of people would definitely be happy with it. In terms of comfort and durability, I definitely found them very comfortable on the ears for long-term use, and the padding up top of the head, overall it's definitely a very comfortable pair of headphones, and it's also very light, but at the same time it's pretty durable as well. So I think build quality and comfort are definitely some of the strongest aspects about the headset. On Amazon, you can find these for about $59.99 regularly, and there will also be a Prime Day sale, which drops the price another $10 on July 16th. So that's going to be from 9:35 British summertime to 19:35 British summertime, and I'll put the time zone conversions on the screen for anybody in North America. And I think the sale price is definitely a really good deal, but if you're spending $60 or less on headphones and you don't need the wireless or the noise canceling features, I definitely look into some Bose or Sennheiser options as well. Definitely whenever making a purchase for a product that you'll be using long term, it's certainly worth it to check out multiple reviews and comparisons before diving in. However, if you do really want the wireless and noise canceling options for your headphones, I think this is a pretty difficult price point to beat for anybody else, so I would definitely recommend it if that's what you're interested in. One of the small things that I really like about this device is that when you're expanding the headphones on the left or right side, it displays numbered markings along the way, so you can always make sure that the sides are symmetrical. And I really like this because it seems like even high-priced headphones never include this feature. So it's really nice to have, and I always find myself wondering if my headphones are perfectly symmetrical or not. The noise canceling feature definitely works, but there is certainly a change in the sound quality when it's turned on and off, and you can definitely tell the differences in between that. And I think in general it does sound better when noise canceling is turned off. And at the same time, the noise canceling isn't perfect. You can still notice certain treble noises, but the more bassier sounds in the environment that you're in will definitely be blocked out. And regardless, it's definitely a nice feature to have, especially for a headset at this price point, but I still think that there is room for improvement. So some of the things that I don't like about the device are when you reach the max volume, or if you try to increase the volume while you're already at the max volume, it'll play a high-pitched beep, which is really annoying, and it layers like over the music or whatever you're listening to, and it kind of interrupts that, which is frustrating. And also the sound is just not pleasant at all. There's also a low-pitched beep when you reach the minimum volume, but this is a little bit less annoying. But either way, I could definitely live without either of these features, especially because if I'm using this with my phone or really any other device, I'm usually going to be able to tell already if I'm at the max volume without having to hear a beep about it. Also, in terms of the usability, it's a bit hard to remember where each button is for the power, active noise canceling, and the up and down volume buttons, and it's not really clear what distinguishes one button from another when you're just feeling around, other than the fact that the active noise canceling is a sliding button and the other buttons you have to press. And one thing that I'd like to see included on these headphones that we didn't get is a pause button. So that's my overall takeaway on the Mixcder E9 headphones. Again, don't forget that there is an Amazon Prime deal coming up on July 16th. If you want to get these on sale, I definitely recommend checking it out if this is something that you're interested in. And again, shout out for Mixcder for sending me the headphones to review. Otherwise, guys, I'll see you in the next video.